Yeah, what the fuck you in here for? I'm gonna knock you to the motherfucking floor. When you're dealing with this real G, the motherfucking original, and not the last, he's gonna motherfucking blast on your bitch made ass. I'ma fuck you all up. Don't even give a shit. Don't need no victims. Don't leave no motherfucking witnesses. Y'all gonna be gone when I take you out this earth. All along, you motherfuckers thought that you could fuck with me, but you fuck with someone who you don't wanna fuck with. Yeah, don't even try to dodge this, duck this. You gon' get motherfucking struck, bitch. I'ma fuck you up, punk ass bitch. I don't give a fuck what you doing, so suck my dick like your hoes gonna do all day. Y'all motherfucking bitch made motherfuckers can't even fuck with this. Yeah, I'm gonna fucking take you to the motherfucking, to the train, motherfucker. Got your bitch trained all fucking day. Got her sucking on my balls, sucking my dick, sucking my cock. Fuck your bitch in the motherfucking back of the motherfucking parking lot. Yeah, bitch, I fuck your bitch in the bathroom. I don't give a fuck, stupid bitch. You ain't doing nothing. You ain't doing nothing but motherfucking keeping my blood pumping, keeping my motherfucking fire burning, motherfucker. The tires hurting on your motherfucking head, yeah. Got my fucking car parked onto your fucking stomach, motherfucker, as I watch you suffer. I don't give a fuck, man, so fuck you, brother. I'm a killer, a psychopath murderer. You've never heard of a motherfucker with a word for ya, but this word I getting it to ya, motherfucker. Y'all gonna be losing oh motherfucking eyeballs when I pluck them out. I don't give a fuck, so yeah, y'all motherfuckers gonna get snuck in the motherfucking alleyway. Y'all motherfuckers get stabbed all day. You faggots are gay. You motherfuckers can't take this shit. I'm gonna fucking make this shit the fucking realest, illest, serial killing this motherfucker. He got a motherfucking mental illness, or he's a motherfucker with a mental illness. Mentally the illest motherfucker. Pull the trigger. The twisted is wicked. This motherfucker sick as motherfucker. He don't give a fuck. Bitch, what you got? You a punk ass bitch with a cock in your motherfucking jaw. Yeah, I'ma break you motherfuckers going down. I'm gonna produce my shit, gonna make these beats, gonna get y'all bumping to the beat of my soul wave synthesizer. Yeah, his penis is a little bigger than those. Yeah, synthesizer. Yeah, and your girl love that shit when I jam this dick in your motherfucking bitch's pussy clit. Bitch, what you got? Yeah, don't even fuck with this guy. He don't even know. He's going crunker than a mofo. He don't even give a fuck what you gotta say, cause bitch, he will knock you out any fucking way. Yeah, but he don't give a motherfucker about your motherfucking haters. Motherfucker walking around with your fake ass gators and your fake ass chaining. I'ma rip the shit off and sell it at the pawn shop, and if it turns out fake, I'm gonna come back and knock you right out. Fucking punk bitch. Who you fucking with now? Who you messing with, bitch? I don't give a fuck no way, no motherfucking how. I'm still gonna motherfucking drop you motherfuckers, take you down. And what the fuck you gonna do about it? I don't give a fuck about you, and I'm gonna fucking shout it out. How I don't give a motherfuck, bitch. What you talking about? You a snitch. You a little punk. You ain't got shit. I'm gonna slam dunk on your motherfucking ass. Bark your motherfuckers out. Don't fuck with me. Yeah, bitch. You ain't ridiculous. You ain't on this shit. I'm on a motherfucking another level. Fuck a beat, I go acapella. Motherfucker, gonna scream at you motherfuckers, turn you motherfuckers yellow. I'ma knock you motherfuckers out. Scare the fuck out of you first, motherfucker, with a sick ass fucking voodoo curse I'm gonna put on you. Bitch, I'ma fuck you up, take you down, drunk you up, duck you up, duct tape your motherfucking face to your motherfucking ground and stomp your fucking head.